phone. Oh, hey, Finn. I've got another Ice King situation here. Oh, yeah? That would be great. Thanks.
Ice King? How many times have we warned you about using Love Potion?
That's why I'm using honey.
Man, who cares if it's honey? You stink anyways.
Yeah, you stink so much, I'm gonna ground you for a week.
What? You can't do that.
You're grounded for 2 weeks.
You're grounded for 2 weeks.
3 weeks.
Oh, snaps.
Why? I didn't do anything.
4 weeks.
Fine, but I'm only gonna do it for a week.
That just grounded you for 4 weeks.
Oh,
Okay, you two, let's get going. Oh, my.
Does Princess Bubblegum know about this place?
be cool, man. You're gonna queer the deal.
Oh, yeah. Try not to act suspicious, Tree Trunks.
Okay, I won't.
Oh,
Where's my dang apples?
oh, Tree Trunks, you're so silly. But listen, you wouldn't happen to have seen any, I don't know, apples around, have you?
Seen any apples? You'll ask a lot of dumb butt questions. Almost like you're trying to solve something.
What? Oh, no.
Clean, too. Almost like some do-gooders.
Hold on. We gotta go potty.
Dang, they almost got us. But I think we blend in pretty well now.
This toilet paper's drying my mouth all up.
Tree Trunks, don't eat